This is how you don't install a car audio system. First off, let's not bother covering those exposed wires or anything. And let's go ahead and buy some pile of shit component speakers. And you know what? We will just, duct tape the tweeter through a quote-unquote customized cutout hole in the door panel that used to be a good door panel. And we'll run as much wire as possible. Why not? The more the better. And we'll run even more into the door too. Why not? Hey. Nice work. You are the douchebag of the year.